Hello, good afternoon, guys. Today I came up with one more new video, like how to prepare homemade immunity booster as well as Kashayam. For preparing immunity booster, I have taken turmeric, one small spoon I need to add, and have taken some salt and lemon. I have taken cloves as well as cardamom, and this is chakke, and this is even I have taken the ginger, which is diced, and I have taken some pepper powder, which is very helpful for you. So, guys, as you all know, turmeric has many kind of benefit which can fight against any kind of disease. So, I'm using that one. After that, lemon, as lemon is one of the most essential part for human body, as it has many benefits to fight against any kind of disease. So I have taken that one. And this is ginger. Ginger is also one of the main property which was used in Ayurvedic, and even this chakke also, this is also used one of popularly. And I have taken cloves, this is also very helpful. And this is even cinnamon is used in the old ancient Ayurvedic system, which helps to fight against any kind of disease. And this is cloves. Even this is also very useful for fighting against benefit, which was used before Ayurvedic period. And this is I have taken some pepper powder. This is also very helpful. Who has cough or dry cough. So guys, first thing is you just need to on the gas, on the flame here. Now I am going to place this thing on top of it. Now you're gonna add some water on top of it as per your requirement. So guys, now I am going to add the crushed ginger into this. So it has very medicine value. So I am going to add that one. After that, it needs to be boiled. Now I am going to add some cinnamon here, cardamom also, even some cloves. Now it's boiling. Now I am going to add some turmeric into it. One small spoon of turmeric. If you want, you can add some jaggery also. So I am not going to add some jaggery. You're going to add some pepper powder into it. One half spoon of pepper powder into it. Then I am going to add some little bit of salt to it, and some lemon juice I am going to add. Now it needs to be boiled. As you all know, this has very beneficial. It is very benefit for any kind of disease. Even I tried this one. It needs to be boiled until all the mixture absorbs into the water. Then you need to off the flame until it boils. So guys, now Kashayam has been prepared. I'm going to transfer into a small cup. As you all know, this is very helpful for immunity boosting. You can drink daily, as well as you can use it. You can drink on once a week or any time. This is very beneficial for you.